Jesus, Tito. Hey, we're about 8 miles in. Tito's having his third breakfast, 4 desserts, 3 coffees. Did we pack enough food, Tito? Yeah, we got Dan.
Hey.
Dan just did a painting job before he came up here. Yeah,
Got him down.
We did the undercoating on the car,
Blazing through.
and it's very pretty here. We're in Slade, Kentucky. Slade is an Indian name for trailer park.
Really?
Okay, now we're going to aim it. How's it actually going? Is the camera up there?
Yes.
I want the camera up high. There you are. I have it weighted correctly.
It's on right now?
Yeah.
It's on? It's on?
Special like this. Okay. All right. There you go.
Okay, just do the same thing that you did before. Everything
There you
good,
go.
everything good, everything lock. Just go right there and see it. Oh, hold on for a moment. I'm gonna give you a lot of slack first.
Dano! Dan!
Yep.
I'm coming down.
That's good. Okay, it's time
Are you ready?
Got you recording, bro.
All right, here I come.
Go ahead, sir. Just pull. That's it. Just go and sit. Stay there for a moment. Let's adjust the slack. Will be good. Okay, start to slide down and I give you a rope. Now, that's it. Start to look for that ledge underneath.
Yep.
You find the ledge?
Yep, I just...
Put your hands in the tray.
Yeah.
And start to lower you down a little more until the ATC goes over the ledge.
Okay.
Go ahead, just give yourself some rope. Yeah, stay there. I'm gonna lock you, and I'm gonna take a quick picture of you.
Oh, I don't need it. I got this thing.
Okay.
Right. So.
Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the green drop now.
All right.
There you go. It's all good now. It's fine. You okay, Joe? Hello?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Where are you at? Oh, perfect.